When you first get to a storm, the first thing that's going to be down is usually cell signal. Your phone's not going to work, some technology may not work that's around that area. And really what we're going to be doing is bringing basically our own internal network to a site that would allow us, everybody, including our clients, to communicate on the job site using an internal infrastructure. So that's anything from texting to seeing each other on the map, something that really supports everybody in the field and gives our client basically a secure line of communication as well. So efficiency is really key when it comes to billing, invoicing, and for client backup. We're bridging the gap between asset tracking and billing and invoicing. We're actually merging them together. And what I mean by that is that we're using asset tracking technology to really refine and fine-tune where equipment is on job sites. That could really help our clients find where their equipment is, and it helps us with billing, knowing how long it's on site and further. There's much more to that, but that's really what it is in a nutshell. It's very important. So what we're trying to do here at ESP is we're trying to take many things that you're looking for and put them in place, such as equipment tracking, equipment rental information, and then take maybe some useful calculators that are going to be used in the field that are in multiple apps, and also put them in the same app. So AC cooling, voltage conversions, and I think what we're working on is really exciting. And I think there's a lot more to come than what we're just working on right now. It's more like a big picture type of thing. And at the end of the day, it's never going to be over. We're never going to stop progressing, and technology is always going to be advancing. And I know ESP is going to be at the front line of that. It's not going to change. It physically won't. That's why we're here.